As I said, I wanted to discuss with you if a length of the paper doesn't come right to the corner. Now, this angle isn't perfectly true. I've got my paper up level. This angle, whereas the paper touches the corner here, down here it's a couple of mil short of the corner, meaning our internal angle isn't quite straight. Our paper is, that's the key. So what we do in this situation, it's something you won't find very often, it'll be rare. But I'll show you what you do. What you can do is just bring this paper up. So just lift up this edge of paper all the way down. Still soaking wet with paste, so we won't have a problem. So we take that up. And then what we're going to do is we're going to drop our new length right into the corner, get it level, just going around a fraction enough to take up any gap in this corner there might be between the two papers. So you don't want two bits of paper touching in case the angle drops away and in effect the paper looks like it's opened up. We want a slight underlap or a slight overlap. So there's always got to be an overlap of two papers in an internal angle. As small as you can get it, keeping the pattern going. When there's no pattern, you haven't got to worry about keeping that pattern going, and how much you take off, you can leave a little bit more. So I'm going to leave this edge up, drop a new length down here, and that will be just underneath there with a little wrap around, and this will drop on top, and I'll show you that.